Now, this is about optimizing electrolysis of water into hydrogen and oxygen with the intent to cut cost and increase efficiency of conversion to 99.9%, so to speak. Well, the basic idea is if you have a positive and a negative, if you have if you have an anode and a cathode, in a beaker of water and you pass an electric current through that water, you will have oxygen and hydrogen coming out of the water. That's a basic principle of electrolysis there. Now, Japan uses catalysts and electrodes. They use one catalyst on the hydrogen electrode and another catalyst on the oxygen electrode. Now, would it help to dope the water with a malign neutral reagent or chemical? If you look at a lead acid battery, hydrogen sulfide is formed, lead sulfate is formed, and lead is formed. That is also a kind of electrolysis. It works through the process of electrolysis of nitric acid, right? And using lead plates as the anodes and cathodes. Is that what it is? Something like that. Now, with artificial intelligence and neural networks, it would be quite reasonable to think that optimizing liquid water conversion to hydrogen gas and oxygen gas could be very effective and economical and safe. So chemical engineers, maybe my colleagues at BWT, they drop out from physics. What's her name? Dr. De La Russo, right? Good. And Ram Kalawan, good. Let's see, because I think it could be done. How did the water form in the first place? Where did they get that energy to form the water? If the energy of formation is the same as the energy of dissociation, how much energy does it take to boil water? Now, water has a certain property. It freezes at 0 and it boils at 100 Celsius. But between 0 and 5 or 4 and 5 degrees, it has a very unexpected behavior, which allows life to thrive in frozen areas because there is a thin film of liquid water still. Now the seals bore through the ice above and have their boreholes and breathe there. And the Eskimos put a little thread or something, and once it starts wiggling, the seal is there, and then they plunge it with a harpoon, and they have meat for that day, right?